Okay, so this is just a really quick tutorial about how to do log first differences and also give you a sneak little peek into just what the assignment should kind of look like. So you see I've got GDP, 10-year, so I've done this actually for GDP, the 10-year rate, the M2, investment, and unemployment. When I say I've done this, I mean I've created, I've actually plotted each of these over time. Okay, that's what I've done in one. Each of these is a sheet that plots each of these variables over time. And if needed, I take log first differences, which is what I'm going to show you in this little video, how to take log first differences. But I'm also giving you like an insight into the overall assignment. So I also have scatter plots, and then dashboards. So we've got dashboards, which are collections of these other graphs. And I've given you examples in the text. Okay, so really quickly, how to do calculated fields and get some of these growth calculations that you need. So first off, actually, you're just going to go analysis and go create calculated field, and we're just going to call this growth of M2. Actually, I already did M2, but I'll give it an M2A because I've already created growth of M2 right there. But just to show you again how it's done is we're going to take the natural log, that's ln. I'm going to put this equation in your Blackboard. So it's ln, and we're going to go sum, and then here's the variable name. Variable name is going to be m2, and then it's going to be minus ln, and we're going to actually go look up the sum of m2, and then comma -1 is offset. We're shifting it back 1. We're basically subtracting the log of M2 from the log of its previous self. That is the growth rate. Okay, so okay. Bada bing. We have a new growth rate, M2A. Now, I also show you that it's very important when you're plotting these things, that especially when you're doing scatter plots, there's some other information in another video, but just please go ahead and watch these videos. I know they're a little bit long. You can actually increase the speed if I talk a little bit slow, or you just want to scooch past or whatever. And also, please note, if you need help, I'll be available this week. You can call me, or we can set up a time. I think maybe I'll set up a couple different times when we can meet this week, just to button things up.